Margarita.
And done.
Can we please try some chocolate now, Miss Rabbit?
Not yet, Pep. Oh, wait. Yes, you can.
Ano ba yung sili?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, kung ano mo eh. Hindi ba naman?
Kaya kakainit.
No, I just really liked it when the chocolate was all runny like a muddy
Nagba sila
puddle.
kayo.
Oh, then it's lucky I have one more treat for you. It's
A chocolate.
Pero first, talon pusa.
It's just like a giant chocolate muddy
Ito na ba yung patata?
puddle.
Hindi pa nga
lots of
natitikman.
nice healthy fruit to dip
Yeah, ganun.
to.
Thank
Ang
you,
ilagay
Miss
ilagay.
Rabbit.
Peppa loves muddy puddles, especially when they're made out of chocolate. Today,
Nani.
Peppa and her friends are going to the
Kailangan mo
sweet
dito
shop.
hindi. Lahat
Hello,
yan.
Miss Rabbit.
Edible.
I'd like to buy everything in the sweet shop, please. Here is my coin.
Peppa and her friends each have 1 coin to buy a
Gastos ko
sweet
yan.
with.
Hindi ko lang nilat.
It's my coin.
Baka ma-overpower.
And mine.
Bakit ba lang?
And mine.
Wow,
Maasim.
what a lot of
Maasim
money.
yun.
But I'm afraid it's not
Maasim.
enough to buy everything in the shop.
Oh, yes.
1 coin is perfect for trying my new sweet making machines though. Just choose a machine, pop your coin in the slot, and push the big red button.
Kailan ba yun? Merkulas ba yun?
Strawberry laces. Nay, but strawberries are fruits, not fish.
Sinabi mo pa, Pitin.
My sweets are made with delicious real fruit. Much tastier and much healthier.
Excuse me.
Yummy strawberries. They look like hair. You're right. I've got a strawberry ponytail. My turn. My turn.
Emily Elephant has found a
It's good,
real
Meme.
lollipop machine.
For this machine,
Yes.
you have to
Sabi niya,
push
ayaw niya
the
daw ng
buttons to choose your
Ah.
favorite fruity flavors.
Sauce, ayaw mo. Dami yan.
Yellow
Okay, I like it.
banana. Ooh, you love red
Yummy?
apples.
Oh.
And pink raspberries. And blue blueberries. And green
Ang
apples.
paganda yan ng eyes.
Hmm.
Your eyes will become the beautiful, the most beautiful on earth.
So pretty.
Look, Mama.